Hey guys, we have a Trendsend box today. Happy Saturday! Hey guys, we have a Trendsend box today. I hope it's gonna be good. Something that I think is really funny about Trendsend is that I never know when they're coming. I just get emails saying your box has been delivered and then there it is at my house. So that's kind of cool, I guess. And they come really fast. I really liked the clothes I've gotten from Trendsend. They're good clothes, but they've just been really expensive. And a lot of them just haven't been very flattering on me. I don't think I kept anything from my last box. I kept some things from the first one. I didn't keep anything from the last one. So we'll see how this one is. And I hope they send me clearance stuff. Okay. Ooh, I already like what I see. Interesting. It seems very wintry in here. And it looks like I have two bundles and then some things that aren't in bundles. First bundle, I love that color. I like the texture of this jean. I'm kind of excited about that already. Oh, this looks like another bodysuit. Oh, it's a bodysuit and it has long sleeves. That is so exciting. Do you remember I got that other, I got a sleeveless bodysuit that I was really excited for by them. And I actually haven't worn it yet. But I was really excited to get it, so I guess I need to do that soon. Snap crotch. It is a size large by Peyton Jensen, and it's $48. They sent me another pair of Good American jeans that are so expensive every time, and I keep telling them that. But these jeans are black, and also they have that really thick denim feeling, feel to them. A raw hem, which looks like it's actually raw. They are a size 16, $161 from Good American. Oh, I really, really like these a lot. Ugh. Dangerous. And then this great big turtleneck sweater. I don't know what color you'd call this because it's kind of it's yellowish, but it's also kind of greeny. What color is this? Someone tell me. This sweater is just okay. I feel like the turtleneck, I don't know, it looks like it might be a little bit too thick. It might get hot if I'm inside. It's $88 by $5.25 America in a size large. No sale things yet. I hope they send me some sale things. Okay, next bundle looks really dark. These are Spanx leggings. They're probably really flattering, but they're in a size large. And large is too small for me. A large is a 10-12. That's too small. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get into these. Oh, do you guys ever wear Spanx shapewear? It's so hard to get into. It works really good though. It actually legitimately makes a difference. They are, I think I saw $68. We'll go with that. They're $68. I'll tell you if I change my mind about that. And we have a little beanie. Which a beanie might be nice. Just a black beanie. It's not very special. But it feels like it maybe isn't as itchy as other beanies that I've worn before, so that's good. And then we have this brown zebra pullover. I don't really love this. It's $88 by Peyton Jensen in a size large. Yeah, it's just not quite my thing. I don't really love that. Okay, and then these next two things weren't in a bundle. And I don't know what this is. Is it a dress? A sweater dress? Oh, yep. It is. It's by Z Supply in a size large. It's $62. Has this knot in it. I don't think I would get a ton of use out of this, unfortunately. And then we have this big fuzzy thing. I guess it's a jacket. Oh, it's a jacket. It's a size large by Jack BB Dakota. Oh, no, I don't know. Is Jack by BB Dakota is a thing? Maybe Jack is I don't know. I guess it's by BB Dakota. This big, fuzzy, bomber jacket. It feels awfully warm. Let's hope it's on a crazy on sale. Not feeling super hopeful. It was $99 marked down to $79.99. I mean, I would pay $80 for a really nice warm winter jacket, but the thing is because this is fleecy, I won't want to get snow on it. So I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see. And then last is, ooh, this pretty necklace. I do actually really like this. I can't tell if that's supposed to be like a moon or like a, I don't know, it looks kind of witchy. I like that. I just realized that I have a cut on my finger. I have no idea when I got it, but I hope I didn't bleed on the clothes. First outfit is this black dress, which is crazy. It is way too short. I'm wearing shaper under this, that's what you're seeing. But it comes up so high on either side. Yeah, like I just can't wear this. And I also, like, I don't think it's very flattering because it's really loose in the waist and tight in the hips. It would be better, I feel like, if it was loose all the way down or tight all the way down, but it just makes me look boxy, which isn't good. But that's the plight of my whole life. It is really comfortable. I also almost wish it was longer so that it would actually be more functional for fall and for winter, because I just feel like it would be really comfy and warm up here, but then like your whole legs are exposed. And then I also am wearing this necklace, which I actually really love. I'm kind of on the fence about it. It's $38, which is more than I like to pay for jewelry ever because I lose it. But I really, really like this. Maybe I'll go on Amazon and see if there's like anything comparable, but also just feels really nice. I would wear this all the time. Like this I feel like this could be a staple piece for me, honestly. Okay. So Juliet has left and the abominable snowman has come. This jacket is interesting. It is so warm, which is good because I am a chronically cold person. I would maybe be into it, maybe if it wasn't too expensive, but I feel like for a coat that's as pricey as it is, I have to be able to wear it like all the time whenever I need to be warm, and that is not the case. This beanie, I don't know, it's just a beanie. I don't have any hats or any beanies, and I need one to keep my head warm in the winter if I ever go someplace outside. And this one doesn't feel as itchy as most beanies are, and it's only $20, which is the styling fee. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna keep this. Underneath, I still have on that necklace because I like it so much. And then we have on the long sleeve bodysuit, which I really like. It is a little bit small, but it's okay. With the bodysuit and the jeans are just a little bit small. They fit right in the waist, but like down through here, they're doing like my hips are just too big, and so they're not coming up all the way. And they're $161. I might exchange them to see if they have one size up and try those. I still don't know if I would keep them, but I'd be interested to see how they fit if they have one size up. But in general, I really like this outfit because I love black. And I think, sorry, I'm using the TV as a mirror right now. I think it's flattering. I love black. Bodysuit, yes. Necklace, yes. Beanie, yes. Jeans, ooh, $161. One thing I do really like about them is that they have that like thicker, more kind of like 90s denim fabric as opposed to the kind of 2020 jegging fabric that I get sent so much. And I love that. And also their denim that is black and not like regular blue denim. So that is a big plus. There's a lot that I like about these. Okay, next up I have the same jeans on with this sweater that I still don't know what color this is. And the sweater is just huge. Like, it's so thick, it comes up so much on my face. I do like turtlenecks, but this, especially with wearing a mask, I would like disappear. And that kind of bugs me how the sleeves are loose. That's not my favorite thing. Okay, I'm still wearing those jeans, I'm still wearing the bodysuit, and I'm still wearing the necklace, but now I have on this like brown and black zebra sweater. And I'm confused because it is so low cut. Like, I'm glad that I kept my shirt on underneath because it just goes so low. It is really comfy, but I don't love the pattern. I don't love the fit. The feel of it is nice. It feels like really good quality, of course. It just doesn't make sense because it's such a warm sweater. Like, I feel like you'd be so warm and then your boobs would be freezing. I didn't try these on. They're the Spanx leggings. And I didn't try them on because Spanx products are hard enough to get on no matter what, which, I mean, some of them are absolutely amazing. Them being hard to get on is a kind of a function of how effective they are at holding you in. But These are a size large, and a large is like a size 10, 12. And I'm normally a 16 and sometimes a size 14, like kind of on a good day. And so I feel like a 10, 12 just isn't very practical. I also don't really love wearing leggings as pants. Not really my look. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass on trying these on. I hope that's okay with you guys. Okay, so long story short, I'm gonna keep the necklace, I think. I'm gonna keep the hat. I'm gonna keep the bodysuit. I do get 20% off because my sister was really nice and used my code. So we both get 20% off of anything we get from our boxes. I think I'm not gonna exchange the jeans just because they're so expensive. One thing that I was disappointed about was the fact that I didn't really get any clearance items. Yeah, I don't know if anything I got was on clearance. And that's something that I really like when they do. Like my favorite things have been stuff that's been way marked down. So I'm hoping to get more clearance items in the future. I feel like this box, like my first box that I got from them was amazing. So good, I was so impressed. My next box, I didn't keep anything. This box was okay. So I think I'll give them one more shot. And if the next box is amazing, I'll keep going with them. But otherwise, I don't think I will. Okay, please let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, everybody. And have a very happy Halloween.